Forget the cliche about grandpa cars being dull and uninteresting. Some of these so-called boomer barges pack surprising style, performance, and nostalgia, making them undeniably cool. These aren't just vehicles, they're statements of class, comfort, and sometimes hidden horsepower. Let's take a cruise down memory lane and explore top grandpa cars, in no particular order, that are unexpectedly awesome. Number 1. The Cadillac DTS is the epitome of luxury meets leisure. Built for comfort, this boat-like behemoth boasts leather interiors softer than your grandma's hug and a suspension system that can glide over potholes as if they're merely suggestions. Under the hood, the Northstar V8 engine provides a surprising burst of power, proving that Grandpa wasn't crawling along on the freeway because he had to, he just chose to. It might not scream sports car, but the DTS has a quiet confidence about it. Its understated elegance, massive grille, and sharp lines give it a timeless appeal. Plus, it's a favorite among limo drivers and government officials, so it practically oozes authority. Pull up in one, and you're not just arriving, you're announcing your presence. Number 2. When people think of luxury sedans, the Lincoln Town Car often comes to mind. This land yacht redefined what it meant to ride in style during the 90s. From the oversized chrome grille to the spacious interior that could double as a small living room, the Town Car is as American as apple pie. It also comes with rear-wheel drive, making it an unexpected gem for burnout enthusiasts who like to show off. This Town Car isn't just about looks. Its 4.6-liter V8 engine ensures it's got some muscle beneath all that leather and wood trim. And let's not forget the iconic air suspension, which practically turns driving into floating. These cars were made to pamper their passengers, and in today's world, that level of comfort is downright cool. Number 3. The Buick Park Avenue may seem like your average retirement community ride, but look closer, and you'll find a car that rivals modern luxury sedans. With its plush seats, digital dashboard, and whisper-quiet ride, it's a hidden gem for anyone who values comfort and understated style. Plus, it has something no one expected, a supercharged version with a 3.8-liter V6 that could leave younger cars eating its dust. Don't let its conservative exterior fool you. The Park Avenue is a sleeper hit. It's the perfect blend of sophistication and surprising performance, offering a smooth ride that's ideal for long road trips or just cruising around town. And if anyone dares to doubt its coolness, a quick press of the accelerator will shut them up. Number 4. The Lincoln Continental has always been a symbol of American luxury, and the 1990s models were certainly no exception. With sleek lines, a powerful V8 engine, and enough space to host a small party inside, the Continental was the car your grandpa used to turn heads at the country club. The air suspension ensured every ride felt like a magic carpet ride, and the leather seats were more comfortable than your favorite recliner. What makes it cool today is its retro charm and undeniable presence. The Continental has aged like fine wine, and its status as a classic luxury sedan is only growing. Whether you're driving it ironically or genuinely enjoying its opulence, the Continental will have you feeling like the king of the road. Number 5. The 1998 Buick Riviera is a grandpa's car with a rebellious streak. With its sleek coupe design and a supercharged 3.8-liter V6 engine, this car was practically begging to break the speed limit. It was a daring departure from Buick's typically conservative designs, and boy, did it pay off. The Riviera's curvy, futuristic styling still looks fresh today. Inside, the Riviera didn't skimp on luxury. It came loaded with leather seats, a premium sound system, and a dashboard that looked like it belonged in a spaceship. It was the kind of car that made you wonder if Grandpa secretly needed speed. Number 6. The Lincoln Mark 8 is what happens when luxury and muscle collide. With its sleek aerodynamic design and a 4.6-liter DOHC V8 engine, this car was more than just a pretty face. It could hit 60 miles per hour in under 7 seconds, making it a genuine sleeper car. The air suspension gave it a smooth ride, but if you needed to unleash its power, the Mark 8 was more than ready. Inside, it offered all the creature comforts you'd expect from a Lincoln: plush leather seats, a futuristic digital dash, and enough room to stretch out and relax. This car is perfect for anyone who wants to blend luxury with a little bit of mischief. Number 7. The 1978 Chevy Caprice Classic is a rolling slice of Americana. With its boxy design, wide stance, and chrome accents, this car defined cool in the late 70s. It wasn't just about looks, though. The Caprice came with a range of V8 engines, offering plenty of power for its time. Today, the Caprice Classic has a retro vibe that's hard to resist. It's a favorite among lowrider enthusiasts, and its durability means many are still cruising the streets. Whether you're into vintage style or just want to turn heads, the Caprice Classic delivers. Number 8. The Lexus LS400 was Toyota's luxury revolution. When it debuted, it offered levels of refinement that rivaled Mercedes and BMW, but at a fraction of the price. The 4.0-liter V8 engine was buttery smooth, and the car's build quality was second to none. It even came with Nakamichi sound systems, which made your cassette tapes sound like live concerts. Despite its grandpa car reputation, the LS400 is a cult favorite today. Its timeless design, bulletproof reliability, and undeniable luxury make it a sleeper hit among car enthusiasts. Plus, it's still one of the best used luxury cars you can buy. Number 9. The Taurus SHO is the definition of a wolf in sheep's clothing. On the outside, it looks like an ordinary family sedan, but it packs a Yamaha-built 3.0-liter V6 engine that loves to roar. It was one of the first American sedans to combine practicality with real performance, making it a hit with dads and car enthusiasts alike. Today, the Taurus SHO is a cult classic. It's the perfect car for anyone who wants to fly under the radar while having a blast behind the wheel. Plus, there's something undeniably cool about surprising sports car owners at stoplights. Number 10. The Buick Lacrosse may not scream cool, but its understated elegance makes it a winner. With smooth lines, a quiet cabin, and a V6 engine that provides plenty of peps, it's a car that excels in making the driver feel pampered. Later models even offered advanced tech features like heated seats and touchscreen infotainment. What sets the Lacrosse apart is its balance. It's luxurious without being pretentious, and sporty without being loud. For anyone looking for a mature yet stylish ride, the Lacrosse fits the bill. Number 11. The mid-90s Cadillac Fleetwood Braum is the ultimate grandpa cruiser. This rear-wheel drive beast came with a Corvette-derived LT1 V8 engine, which gave it some surprising muscle. Its massive size and soft suspension made it feel like driving a cloud. Today, the Fleetwood Braum is a favorite among enthusiasts who appreciate its mix of old-school luxury and modern performance. It's the kind of car that makes every drive feel like a special occasion. Number 12. The Mercury Grand Marquee LS is a classic example of American luxury. With its smooth ride, spacious interior, and V8 engine, this car is the unofficial mascot of Florida retirees, and for good reason. Its air suspension and roomy interior make it the ultimate road trip vehicle, while its V8 engine ensures it doesn't lack power. The LS trim adds extra touches like premium upholstery and upgraded sound systems. What makes the Grand Marquis cool is its durability and comfort. It's a car that's equally at home on a cross-country road trip or cruising around town. It's not trying to be flashy or trendy. It's just here to provide comfort and reliability. And sometimes that's all you need. Plus, its simple, elegant design has aged surprisingly well. Number 13. The Buick Roadmaster is a station wagon that dreams are made of. With its wood-paneled sides and massive interior space, it's a nostalgic throwback to family road trips and simpler times. But don't let its looks fool you. It packed a Corvette-derived LT1 V8 engine. The Roadmaster is cool because it's the ultimate blend of practicality and performance. It's a car that can haul a family, a week's worth of groceries, and still beat a sports car off the line. Plus, the sheer irony of driving a grandpa wagon that's faster than most modern sedans is just too good to pass up. And number 14. The Ford Crown Victoria is more than just a grandpa car, it's a cultural icon. Known for its role as a police car and a taxicab, the Crown Vic is as durable as they come. Its 4.6-liter V8 engine and rear-wheel drive make it surprisingly fun to drive, especially if you've got a penchant for power slides. Today, the Crown Vic has a cult following. It's the car you buy when you want to channel your inner detective or pretend you're in a high-speed chase. Its mix of toughness, nostalgia, and hidden performance makes it undeniably cool. So there you have it, 14 grandpa cars that are way cooler than you ever imagined. So next time you spot one cruising down the road, don't laugh, salute. These grandpa mobiles are not just cars, they're icons, rebels, and time machines all rolled into one plush V8 powered package. Cool doesn't care about your age, it cares about your ride. What about you? Do you have a favorite car from our list? Or perhaps a story of your own about Grandpa's unforgettable rides? Could you share it in the comments? I'd love to hear your stories. And while you're at it, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our latest videos. We'll catch you next time.